What's up everyone? Today I'm going to discuss about how you can grow lemon plant on a pot. With this video I'm going to explain to you guys. This is just an example of outdoor indoor plants, but this is exactly what you do for the lemon plant. So if you are repotting, just take that out, cut extra root, and this is how you can prepare. I'll explain step by step. Pot, highly recommended. Use ceramic pot with a little hole on the bottom, so the oil drainage you need it. And soil, you need pudding mix, perlite, peat moss, and oak bark. So you put oak bark first, and then mix other things, and put it on bottom, and then put the plants and top it off with the pudding mix, and then just gently push it, and once it's fill it till the tip, and water it for the first time really well. then I'll show you my lemon tree on my garden. So this is the yellow pest control thing. I put it on the plants. This is really needed for the lemon, so all bugs come there and stick on there. Lemon plant need a full sun, and watering recommended every 2 to 3 weeks. And thank you for watching my videos, and please follow and subscribe my channel. More video like this in the future. Thank you.